In this video, I'm going to show you how we can create a website using DeepSeek. So first of all, open the DeepSeek chat.deepseek.com, and now we need to write a prompt. And here I'm going to create a website for doctor appointment booking. So I'm going to write one prompt here, and this prompt is create a single page website using HTML, CSS and JavaScript. I'm going to give you that prompt in the description. You can use it, or you just need to change here the doctor appointment booking to the something else if you want to create another type of website. Now we need to just click on the enter, wait some seconds. So he'll start writing a code. As you can see here, this one code. Now you can download the files from here also. You can see the download option. So let's wait to complete it. Now the DeepSeek completed our code. See this one. Now let's click on the download button here. Now open the download folder. Now here we have downloaded a file. Just double click on that file and open it. And this is really fantastic. You can see this is the overall website. Medicare 3D website, doctor, book appointment, services and contact. This is really cool. You can see 3D elements. You can see in the background you have 3D cards of doctors, images, everything. You don't need to do anything yet. That DeepSeek added the reviews also. This is really cool. We have a book your appointment form also. So let's try this. Let's with Sarah. Now fill all these details and just click on confirm appointment. Fantastic. Appointment booked with Dr. Sarah Johnson at time, and the email sent to the thecodingbus@gmail.com. That's really cool. Click on OK. You can see we have a footer also, and all these links is just like click on doctor, click on book appointment, services and contact. This is really cool. So now this is our overall website. I want to add it in this website. So how can I do this? So it's very simple. Open the VS Code and click on the open, go to the download folder and just select our HTML file. Now we have that overall website code. Now if you want to change something like the browse doctor, so just copy this, go to the VS Code and just search here for the browse code. Use the Control F or Command F, and this is one is the browse doctor, book doctor. Just save that file, use Command S or Control S, go here and refresh it. You can see the book doctors. This is really fantastic. You can change the doctor's name, images and everything in this amazing website. After completing the changes, just buy the hosting and upload that file in the public HTML folder, and your website is live. So this is the easiest way to create any website using the AI and make it live. So if you have any doubt, you can ask me in the comment. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a nice day. Be safe. Bye bye.